Right guys, we come to the Mandarin house first thing this morning, and they pretty much have a quote that sums up half of the people that join YouTube these days. Chase fame and fortune, kids. I'm kidding, some of us still make videos because we actually want to make good videos. But anyway, welcome back to another vlog. Today is the last day in Macau. We are currently at the Mandarin house. We've come here first thing this morning. Got to bed really late last night because it was the last night in Macau. We went for like a celebratory dinner. If you haven't seen it yet, the food was incredible. Again, we're going to explore a little bit today. We head back to Hong Kong this evening on a boat. Another gorgeous day. The sun is shining and we're going to keep exploring. Morning, friends.
Morning.
How art thou?
Very good. In Macau, can't complain.
What happened to your lens, Jordan?
Yeah, my lens cracked this morning. I was like trying to do a time lapse of this, and lo and behold, that happened.
I didn't know you had hold of it then. I thought it was about to happen again during the explanation. That sucks, man. How are you, Shu?
Good, I'm resembling a baby panda today.
Are you?
Yeah.
I thought you looked quite nice.
Ah, thank you.
And you're putting yourself down like that. Why would you do that?
I'm sorry, I won't do it again.
Yeah, you will not do it again. So a lot of these Chinese-based houses, the idea is to pretty much avoid air conditioning, even though that was never a thing back when these buildings were built. You'll see that there's a lot of gaps in the roof where the natural light can come in, the wind can come in. Jordan and I are going to go and see if we can use a traditional Chinese football. This isn't like any football you've ever seen. You got the footy ready? Oh, mate, I'll be down in a second, mate. Mate, are we going to play?
It's tough. It's hard.
So this is a traditional
I don't know what it's called.
football toy, we're going to call it.
It's like a keepy-uppy football thing.
I mean, that was pretty good, not going to lie. For the purpose of this video right now, we're going to call this a keepy-uppy Chinese football toy. You guys can help us out in the comments. What is it? Reinforcements are needed when playing in the sun, a sport in the house of the Mandarin. That's hard work. Oh hey, didn't see you there. Welcome to my Chinese calligraphy lesson.
Okay, that doesn't make
This was the child that had an attempt before me. I'm going to teach him how to do it properly.
Then that?
So it's all about tracing.
Okay. Okay.
So we're just going for very minute strokes. Oh no, that was another one of the kids' versions. Let me do an adult one.
This was the one you prepared earlier, right?
Yeah, these are the ones that I created prior to letting other people use my paper. Okay, so we are going to attempt to draw the, what I like to call the double F squared. So F,
first?
Yeah.
with the square in.
Yep, yep.
Right.
That bit there?
It's like this.
Smart.
You go from this,
Okay.
this, and this.
Oh, normally. Oh, okay. Oops, my bad.
So the dot first,
The dot first. And then that.
and then after swirl.
Look at you doing it with complete ease.
This one.
It's like you've done this for thousands of years.
I'm not very good at this.
And that was your name in Chinese.
Yeah, we tried that, and we sort of gave up at this point. Wow.
Got Mr. George Benson displaying the wonderful English calligraphy today.
That would actually be quite nice on a tattoo, you know.
Well, that could be your idea for today.
Romeo, if you're watching this, mate, I think you should try this font next.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Well, that's all I want for cycles. Like this one.
Is that a butt or a heart?
Hearts. You.
Okay.
You guys. Alright then guys, we come down near to the sea and we're going to go into the final temple here whilst we're in Macau. This is called the Ama Temple. Well, we learned yesterday that some of the archways in some of the temples, probably the smaller temples, are built lower so that you bow as you walk in. I don't think this one is built for bowing as you walk through the archway, but check this out. This is what happens when I come to Chinese temples. I get stuck. As today is the last day in Macau, tomorrow we fly home to London, which is sad because it's been such a great trip, but it's got to be done at some stage, it's got to end somewhere. So today is the only real day I can actually get some work done, some editing done, so that you guys can start seeing these videos. So we have come to, where are we? Studio City?
Yes.
We're in the City of Dreams right now, which is a really, really cool little, well, I say little, it's humongous. We're currently walking down the Gourmet Walk where there's loads of cool little restaurants, little places you can pick up food and snacks. We're going to try and find somewhere to set up shop, get some work done. Get some soup dumplings. Soup dumplings for me, soup dumplings for you. Good price? Good price. For you, double price. Thank you. Right then, export is happening. Get some work done?
Day one Hong Kong vlog is done.
Get some work done, Mr. Jordan? Good man, man. Good man, man.
Get some food now.
Foodie, foodie. You want to get some more food?
Soup dumplings.
Good shout, man. I like that. This is the face of a man who has been staring at a screen for too long, and his final couple of hours in Macau is going to be spent watching the dancing water show at the Grand Hyatt Hotel. It's meant to be one of the most spectacular events that they host here in Macau, so we've got tickets, we're going to go and watch. I might have to get some ice cream because you can't spend Macau dollars back in Hong Kong. You can spend Hong Kong dollars in Macau, but not the other way around. So I've somehow got to try and spend 90 Mecanese dollars, and I really want an ice cream. Haagen-Dazs, anybody?
Yeah.
Other brands are available, but ice cream time?
Haagen-Dazs is the best.
Okay, you said it, let's do it. I'm looking forward to this show. It's got good reviews. Apparently 2,000 people are going to sit in here and watch. So, I don't know if I can actually film any of it. If not, I'll let you know how it goes. he doing? Right guys, I'm ready to go out now. We are going to Sky Bar for dinner. Got myself changed, white t-shirt, jeans, the new sneakers. Let's go out. Shu, which way should I point the camera? Yes guys, check this out. Sky 21 rooftop bar and restaurant. Alright, this is where we spent last night. It's where we're going to spend this evening. It is gorgeous. That's Taipa over there. Connected by 3 bridges. One there, and another one we can't see. Right in the distance over there. Go on, Jordan, mate, get the shot. Right then gang, we are ending the night after a wonderful meal in the casino. If you didn't know, Macau does have a lot of casinos and we couldn't come here and not go at least once. So, gonna get a little bit of cash out, not a lot, because I'm not stupid, and have a bit of fun. We didn't win any money. Am I speaking for everybody here or did we?
Oh, I won 100.
Oh, okay, that's good.
Yeah, same. I think I went down to like 200 and then got back up to...
So it was just me that lost? I thought you... Okay, well done. Yeah, I lost, guys. I didn't lose that much. I still got money in my wallet. It's all that matters. I didn't take anything extra out. It was, fun.
It's been real.
It's been real. Good night. Alright guys, we are back in Hong Kong now, back in a new hotel, and that show, genuinely, it's one of those where I kind of want to explain the story because I couldn't film the whole thing, so it's like an hour and a half long. It was basically, in a nutshell, boy finds girl, falls in love with girl, there's a fisherman who is like a little ninja guy and he's a nutcase, and he basically tries to save the boy and the girl from the bad guys who try and like take over, and then the power shifts a few times and the storyline changes a couple times and you think like it's not going to happen and then it happens and then it doesn't happen. That was a dreadful explanation of what was the best show I've ever seen. 100%. Like in terms of, obviously you can't really compare it to like a music show because obviously you have like a connection with a band or an artist that you've paid to go and see because you love their music. In terms of like a performance, that was incredible. I used to go to the theatre a lot when I was younger for like the pantomime at Christmas, and obviously like I know it's a bit different because it was a water show, but that was just phenomenal. Thank you so much to Macau Tourism for actually inviting me out here. Shu, Jordan and I have got on so well. We've had such a great time. Jenny, the tour guide, was amazing as well. It is now 1 o'clock in the morning. I've started editing all of these videos, and tomorrow I fly back. I'm not going to be vlogging the flight home because it's just like 12 hours on a plane, and you've seen me do that so many times now. I hope you enjoyed this Macau series. It has been amazing, and I'm just feeling really grateful to have all of these amazing opportunities in my life right now and to be able to bring you guys along with me. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the vlog and you've enjoyed this series, be sure to leave a like. Check out the whole playlist if you haven't seen any of the other videos. I'll see you later. Bye bye.